Toyota Estima ACR50 2006 to 2013 version. Installed for Cogoo S Series 2019 model, new model 2019. Cogoo S Series 9-inch big screen Android GPS player, 2GB RAM with 32GB storage, 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen, curved screen, and IPS screen, multi-angle viewing IPS. So it's a good fitting OEM big screen casing for Toyota Estima. OEM socket plug and play. Full menu. Setting. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Car setting. Equalizer preset. System info. Android version 8.1. 2GB RAM, 32GB flash storage. A7 processor. Display screen is 1024x600 real HD screen. Support video file up to 1080 Full HD version. Factory setting. Password 8888. To do your CAN bus setting or other setting. GPS detect. So it's got a GPS antenna to detect your car locate. Preset volume, brightness, daytime and nighttime. Styling control, styling setting. Okay, change your boot logo. You can save a JPEG file or BMP file, put in your pen drive. Reverse, not mute. Okay, this player no SD card, no DVD, but it's got a 2 USB slot, USB extension. Normally we'll put in a drawer, but this car got a 2 USB car charger, so we'll extend your USB slot here. So it's a Bluetooth function, Bluetooth call, pairing with your phone, and click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Apps download from Play Store, log in Gmail, download Waze, Google Maps, YouTube, Spotify, and you can download the APK for TV channel, online TV, download APK from the web. Download APK from Papago Maps from web page. Phone link, mirror link function, Estima mirror link, selected phone model. So the software is fixed function, you cannot change, cannot move for the S series. Nighttime driving. You can turn off the screen. Press any way to turn it on. So you get a volume button.
还是你想你照顾自己哦，所以我们这个部分我们要先理清。
Okay, turn on headlight. So it's got the light here. Turn off. Okay, Android player you have to clear apps, clear it one by one or close all. It's got a camera input, video input and video output. Camera input can connect with the Cogoo 360 parking camera. Okay, so this is Cogoo S series 2019 version. 2 GB RAM with 32 GB storage, USB slots times 2, 9-inch big screen IPS screen with OEM big screen casing and OEM socket plug and play. For Toyota Estima ACR50. Okay, buy one bis. www.onebiz.com.my. We got a showroom in Cheras Square, Balakong. All car model available. Welcome, play a visit. Thank you.